Sustainability is a hot topic in business education, but for students to understand the importance of balancing sustainability with profitability, sustainability needs to reinforce business fundamentals, not replace them. That's why we're excited to introduce our integrated sustainability module for our business simulation platforms. At the core of the module is Capsim's triple bottom line scoring feature. Rather than relying solely on financial performance, users are measured equally across three pillars: people, profit, and planet. The sustainability module evaluates familiar KPIs like stock price and leverage, while also monitoring waste and emissions footprints, as well as things like employee and community satisfaction. Your student's strategy is driven by decisions that will affect their triple bottom line. In addition to the standard operational choices of a Capsim simulation, sustainability-focused levers are integrated throughout the departments. When building and revising products, R&D will determine the level of recycled material to use, a key driver in the waste footprint of each product. Production will select the company's supplier, evaluating the trade-offs of their eco-policy. They will also consider investments in renewable energy and monitor the impacts of their actions on the company's emissions. The people pillar of the triple bottom line is focused on customers, employees, and the community. The HR department has a variety of people-focused decisions, including training budget per employee, hiring and payroll policy, and community program investment. Finance has the opportunity to make an impact by designating a percentage of profits to charitable donations. These integrated sustainability decisions culminate to create strategic depth and hands-on learning moments in the simulation. Competition and practical application help make sustainability concepts come to life. If you're interested in learning more about how Capsim's integrated sustainability module works, visit www.capsim.com/integrate-sustainability and book a demo with one of our simulation experts.